Hi friends, let's start this wonderful question. Square root of 36 is 6 and 20 can be written as 4 into 5. This becomes 6 minus square root of 4 into 5. Square root of 4 is 2, so rewrite this as 6 minus 2 root 5. We can rewrite this as 2 into 1 into under root of 5. And 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. So we can write this as square root of 5 square plus, let's write 1 as square root of 1 square minus 2 into square root of 1 into square root of 5. This equation becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to a minus b whole square. Hence we get square root of square root 5 minus 1 whole square. Therefore you get your answer as square root of 5 minus 1. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel.